So next up, guys, got a passenger van here. So this is a 2013 Chevrolet Express 3500 12 passenger van. Local companies, does an excellent job with maintenance and service, and it'll come with all those records from when they've owned it. I think this van's got right around 187,000 miles on it. It's got the Vortec 6-liter gas motor, automatic transmission. Really kind of go through it, guys. You'll have all the pictures of the inside. The interior's in good shape, seems like. The AC's good and cold. The seats aren't tore up. Everything seems to check out pretty good on it. Rubber's in nice shape. This company's got a group of trucks, a trailer, a whole bunch of equipment selling the same day on auction, and really good company, does a good job with their program. So Garrett here will fire it up, give you a nice demo. Does have the rear beeper on it. Obviously you'll see it in the pictures, but does have some typical Iowa rust on the underside of it. But other than that, guys, starts up, runs good. Company said just selling it to replace it with a new one. So mechanically they thought it was real solid. Does have a sliding door for the side, obviously, on it, but starts right up. Forward reverse shifts they brought in from 20 some miles away, guys, so ran down the road good. So there's a little demo. 2013 Chevy Express 12 passenger van. Go, guys, with Auction Time and Old 20 Auctions.